to receive our special children who have competed in the Special Olympics with the leadership of my great friend Subhash Desai, who has led the entire group to make sure that they come. I know Victor was for many years, since the 1990s, who has been doing immense work for the special children and taking everything forward. I congratulate the winners. We have one from Panari, Aldana, who has come here. This boy, Joel, I'm so happy. And I wish them all the best. I believe that they can do and they can achieve greater heights, and I wish them further success in the years ahead.
स्पेशल ऑलिम्पिक वर्ल्ड गेम्स ज्या जाग्यार 170 कंट्रीज पार्टिसिपेट जाले, 7000 एथलेट्स गेले. भारताक 199 मेडल्स मेळ्ळे आसात ऑन द हायेस्ट पोझिशन, आणि तातून भितर गोंयचें कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन आसा. गोंयान भितर 13 एथलेट्स गेल्ले. ऑल टुगेदर गोवा's team was 23 and we have won 19 medals, 9 gold medal. Here is Sia, who has won the highest medal, 2 gold medals, 1 silver, 1 bronze. All of others, I congratulate and compliment all the coaches, all the teachers, all the institutions, all the आमचे दिव्यांगाचे स्कूल आसात, गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ गोवा फॉर गिविंग and parents for giving us a very good support. सगळे वटच्यान आमकां बरो सपोर्ट केल्लो आसा, म्हणून आमी खूब खूब कौतुक करतात. Sia was a girl who did not, her visa was not resolved. ताची विजा रिझॉल्व चीफ मिनिस्टर लास्ट मोमेंटा गेले. ओपनिंग सेरेमनी जालो. She was last one to go and she claimed 4 medals this time. We congratulate all the athletes, we congratulate all the coaches, we congratulate the Olympic team, Mr. Luis, Mr. Vaz, Mr. Victor Vaz was totally with them for 10, 12, 15 days, and he has led this team. And Guru Prasad Pavaskar and myself, we were there for 10 days in Germany, accompanying our team for 24 hours. So this is a great moment for all the Goenkars, and we have won 19 medals and 9 of gold, 5 of bronze and 5 of silver.
We have practiced hard with our athletes. The credit is not mine, but it is the athletes who performed well and brought honors to Goa. 19 medals, 9 gold, 5 silver, 5 bronze. Having said that, I would like to thank the Chief Minister of Goa, who acted so fast to give a legal guidance certificate to Sia Sarode. If not, we would have lost 2 golds, 1 silver and 1 bronze. We knew she was a very strong contender for the medal, and with that, not mincing up much of my words, the credit goes to the Honorable Minister of Social Welfare, Mr. Subhash Desai, and to the Commissioner of Disability, Mr. Guru Prasad. So with this, I would like to say thank you not only to the teachers, to the entire fraternity of Goa.
व्हडा संख्येन सगळे लोक हांगा जमिल्ले आसा. हे दाखोवन दिता की सगळ्यांचो मोग कितलो आसा आमच्या प्लेयरांचेर. प्लेयरांनी फक्त गोंय खातीर न्ही, भारता खातीर मेडल्स मेळिल्ले आसा, आणि ताचे म्हाका दिसता श्रेय जे आसा ते बाब सुभाष फळदेसाय, ते तांचे बरोबर आशिल्ले फूल टायम. हांव आशिल्लो, विक्टर वाज, स्पेशल ऑलिम्पिक्सची एंटायर टीम, बाब लुईस आसतलो, विशाली कार्दोजा आसतली, आणि त्याच बरोबर तांकां जो तेंको तांच्या स्कुलांनी जो दिल्लो आसा, स्पेशल स्कुलांनी तांची तोखणाय करता, आणि तांचे सगळ्यांचे अभिनंदन करता की जर्मनी हांगा स्पेशल ऑलिम्पिक्सान परफॉर्म करून आयज हांगा सगळीं परत आयिल्ली आसा.
पेरेंट्स रावता तांकां
म्हाका मातशें मुखार धाडलें सरान, म्हागे फळदेसाय सरान म्हाका जायना आसलें हें
विजा जायनाशिल्ले.
सरान करून दिलें म्हाका.
Well, congratulations.